Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are Three for the Road RV. This is Foodie Friday.
Foodie Friday.
Yum. Good morning, roadies. I just wanted to introduce to you my Foodie Friday for today. I call it the Not Your Typical Tinfoil Dinner, and that's basically because of the method that I use to make them. I was really tired of doing those tinfoil dinners and having part of it scorched or part of it raw. And it was just really frustrating to me, even though I've always liked the flavor of them. So I was talking with a friend about it, and while we were camping, and she introduced her way of doing it. And what she told me was that she uses cabbage leaves in it. And what it basically does is you put all your food inside the cabbage leaves, and then you wrap it all up in the foil that way, and the cabbage not only will protect the food from scorching, because if there's going to be any scorching involved at all, the cabbage will be the stuff that gets scorched. But more often than not, it just cooks along with the food while it protects it, and then you have the extra vegetable on hand to eat afterward if you are so inclined. So I started doing it that way, and I cannot believe the results that I've had with it. It makes such a difference. I no longer have scorched meat or potatoes in my foil dinners. And I really don't mind cooked cabbage, so it's like a bonus either way. So I just wanted to kind of explain why I do it that way. So as you'll see in the pictures, that you lay the cabbage leaves on the foil before you put your other ingredients in. And you basically just kind of make the bed big enough to hold all the food that you're going to be using in. And then you put more cabbage on top of all the food before you wrap it all up in the foil. And voila, there you go, and it works great. So I hope you enjoy this video and that you can now look forward to your future foil dinners without worrying about it getting scorched. So you have a great Friday and a wonderful weekend, and hope you're staying cool out there. We are doing so much better now that we got some extra little fans to blow the air around, so now the air conditioner doesn't seem to be working as hard, and it sure has made a difference. So we'll see you next time. Please remember to like and subscribe. See you later.